So today I will be teaching you a basic song to play on guitar for beginners, that is. It is called In the Aeroplane Over the Sea by Neutral Milk Hotel. And it is definitely a beginner song. It's not very hard. To start, well, first let me just show you the chord progression. That's pretty much all I'm going to be teaching you. So the first chord you start out with is the G chord. And to play a G chord, you must first place your middle finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, which is right here. And then next, you must place your index finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. And then after that, you need to place your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then your pinky one below on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So that's your G chord. And then next, a really, really easy one, E minor. So E minor is just your middle finger. Use your middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, so this one. And then one below on the 4th string, you put your ring finger. And that's also still the 2nd fret. So it's just... After that, you play a C chord. And to play a C, it's a little tricky, actually. You put your ring finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, so right here. And then you place your middle finger one string down on the 4th string, and then on the 2nd fret, right there. And then you actually skip a string. You're going to have to kind of gap that. So you put your index finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, so all the way down here. So you skip that string right there, and you try to leave that open. So it kind of sounds like... So right now we have these 3 basic chords so far. After that is the D chord. This is probably one of my favorites. It's the most, let's just say, mendable. There's a lot you can do with this chord. It's pretty cool. I love this chord. But, first, you start out by placing your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then place your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then place your index finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So that would look like, see, 1, 2, and up here. So that is pretty much the very first verse, and actually every single verse in the whole song, actually. And then there's the bridge, which is the same chords repeated, just in a different pattern. I'll just show you that in a minute. So it's E minor, progression, well, I mean the strum pattern for the song would be down, 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 up, down, up, down. So it's right before that last, right after that last up, you have to alternate. You have to switch that chord real quick, which can be a little tricky for beginners, but you'll get the hang of it after a bit of practice. So. And then for the bridge, which is same chords I just taught you, just played differently. So you start with the E minor, and then to C, to G, to D. And that's pretty much the song. So